What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to this brand new episode of Customs with Vic. Today we're going to be customizing these white canvas era Vans into a poor man's fear of God pair of Vans. Pretty much what I'm going to do is paint the toe boxes red, paint the back heel red, and lay down a sick fear of God stencil on both panels. It's going to be sick. I think you guys are going to love this tutorial, so let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is tape up the soles and sock liner. Luckily this pair is a pair of canvas, so there's no prep work involved with acetone or cotton balls. Alright, shoes are finally all taped up. We're ready to lay down this stencil. Pretty much what we're going to do is remove it using the transfer paper, lay it down on the shoe, and make it count since we only have one shot. Alright guys, so we got the stencil laid down. So far this has been the longest step in this whole process. It took me a good 2.5 hours for the whole stencil process, in between weeding it out, transferring it onto the transfer paper, laying it down on the shoe, and going over it again with these little scissors to make sure it's nice and flat. Took forever, but I think it's good to go. We're going to be using some black jacquard paint, and we're going to lay it down with my airbrush. Alright guys, so with the stencil off, tape off, looks pretty damn good. Came out pretty much looking like identical to the original release. Now let's replicate this side onto the other side and keep it moving. Second stencil's laid down. As you can see in some areas, some of the letters are kind of hanging off. Using these little scissors, we're gonna go back and flatten them out. All right, stencil work is finally all done. On to some easy stuff. Using these little scissors, we're gonna scratch off the black paint that got on the metal eyelids for a more professional, cleaner look. All right, next step we're gonna move on to is laying down the red. We're gonna tape off everything but the toe box and back piece. We'll come back to the tongue later. Shoes are taped up once again. Using my airbrush, let's lay down this transparent red from Jacquard paint. Shake it first.
Shake your face. Watch yourself.
Hand cramp. All right guys, red is laid down. Looks freaking awesome. It's the perfect shade of red. In a certain angle, it kind of looks like suede. Looks really cool. So now let's keep it moving. Next step we're gonna move on to is the tongues. All right, tape is off. Last thing we gotta do before we lace the shoe up is to protect this beautiful custom by using Reshoeminator's water and stain repellent. All right, YouTube, that is gonna wrap it up on today's episode on how to customize an all-white pair of Vans into a pair of Feet of Gods. Honestly, I wish I had a pair of the original release right next to me to show you guys a side-by-side comparison of how identical this shoe came out. And honestly, it came out perfect. The red is so vibrant, the stencil laid down perfectly. It couldn't have gone any better. I really wish I would have made this in my size. Unfortunately, these are Steve's size. He wants me to finish up the second shoe. Make sure you guys comment below and subscribe to our YouTube channel because we're dropping fire content every single Monday and Thursday. See you guys next Monday.